Let's talk about Instagram Threads. 30 million downloads in 16 hours is pretty incredible. I downloaded it last night, and I have to say, right now, I actually like it. As a matter of fact, I'm considering making that my full-time app that I might focus on. What do you think about it? I know it was set out to kill Twitter, but I think it may hurt Facebook and Instagram. What do you think? Let me know. I don't know. Drop the comments. Are you tweeting? Are you threading? Or are you Instagramming? Are you TikToking? What are you doing? Are you doing them all? Let me know.